7 Secrets to Reclaiming Confidence That Successful People Know. Winston Churchill once said, "Success is stumbling from failure to failure with no loss of enthusiasm." The problem is, enthusiasm can be hard to come by, especially when yours has taken a beating. Setbacks and disappointments have a way of knocking it down. We start doubting ourselves and lose sight of who we really are. Without confidence, it becomes impossible to try, guaranteeing failure. Thankfully, we know one thing for certain. Confidence can be reclaimed, as every successful person knows. Read on to discover 7 things successful people know about reclaiming confidence. They remind themselves they can do it. Successful people recognize failure is normal. Getting there won't be without bumps. The important thing when trying to regain confidence is to realize success is still a possibility, or even a probability. This is where you remind yourself of your goal and visualize success all over again. They walk away. There comes a time where a break is the best thing you can give yourself. Confidence wavers when you're feeling stressed and overwhelmed. Doing a hobby you love, or even just taking a walk or spending time with friends, does a lot toward regaining a positive mindset when you're feeling frustrated. They revisit the past. Where have you succeeded before? Where have you failed? Everything that comes before is a teaching moment. What do you know about yourself already from these events? Understanding the you of yesterday is where your insights today come from. Confidence comes from using this knowledge well. They forgive. Hating yourself for some mistake you made isn't going to get you anywhere and only destroys your confidence. Being able to let go and forgive the past is crucial to future successes. They keep a handle on what they're saying. Self-talk can be particularly destructive to confidence. How do you talk to yourself? Are you patient and understanding? Or do you tend toward negativity? Grabbing hold of these mental put-downs will preserve self-confidence. Using more positive statements will build it up. They start over. The only sure way to fail is to do the same thing, in exactly the same way, when you've already failed the first time. Rather than force failure onto yourself and eradicate confidence, revamp the strategy. Ask yourself how you can do things differently this time. They keep trying. Persistence pays off. If you fail and stop, you'll always think of yourself as a failure. It's the person who gets up and tries again who builds confidence as they go. In the end, the only way to reclaim your confidence is to put intentional work into recovering it. By using these tips, you'll get there. Recognize the process can sometimes be slow, but success truly does lie within your grasp, even after a setback.